What's up guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm gonna teach you how to create 404 page in Elementor with RTMKIT plugin. But first of all, you need to install RTMKIT plugin in your WordPress. And here you can go to plugin and add plugin. And you can search for RTMKIT. Go here and search for RTMKIT. And then you need to install it and activate it. And after that, you can create page and edit with Elementor. You go to icon of RTMKIT in your dashboard. And you go to wireframe. And after wireframe, there is 404 page. There is 3 options in here you can choose. There is option 3. You can import it. Click import it. And here's the thing. And you can edit it with what do you want, and you can replace the image in here. Choose image. In here you can change it. You can give link and caption, and you can change another option, wireframe. Scroll down for page, and here's the second option. You can edit this one and give a link or change the name. Here also you can edit it, the title, and give a link. And there is a first edition as well option, wireframe, and 404 page, and there is a first option. Yes, so you can edit it as well with your link. You can change the name here. You can change the copywriter. If you want to have this layout, you can download it RTMKIT in your plugin. Thank you. Download